guys. Just finishing up with Home Depot purchases. As you can see, I already bought my wood, and I also bought some C-clamps and some screws. So far, that's what I spent. Now I'm going to put it in the car and we go from there. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Fix It Felix. This is a different video in my channel that I usually do. I usually focus on cars. I already have maybe 85 videos, and this is the first video where you get to see my face. I don't really usually show my face in videos, but the problem I have right now is I have a lot of tools and I don't have a good table to put them on. So what I'm doing right now is I'm building a workbench using only 2x4s. I'm not an expert. This is my first time building something out of wood. So I'm gonna use a circular saw, and basically these tools that you see right here, a drill, some screws, and I have all the wood right there, the 2x4s. Let me show you my garage. As you can see, this is what I'm using now. Yeah, those are my Marvel and DC posters and wall frames. But yeah, this is my table that I have now. It's a plastic. I think we bought it at Walmart. But as you can see, I'm getting a lot of scratches on it, and it just doesn't work for me that good anymore. So that's why I'm gonna build one. In the future, I wanna buy more tools and be more organized. So that's why I'm gonna build this workbench. If you guys if you guys end up liking this workbench and this video, please let me know down below, and I can do or build more stuff out of wood. So okay, enough talking. Now let's get to work. All right guys, so first we're going to start with the legs. So I'm gonna make it 3 feet high. So I'm gonna take measurements on the 2x4 and cut every 3 feet to make the legs for it. Alright, as you can see, those are the 4 legs. Now we're going to build the ones that go in between. So there I got this side. Now I'm gonna do the other side as well. It's going to be the same thing. All right, now I'm doing the 2x4 that goes here. And I'm gonna make it into like a triangle form. So it's going to be 34 inches. So I have to cut it. I have to make this cut right here and make this cut right here. And it's going to be a total of 34 inches. Starting to look more like a table. Workbench. Okay, now we're gonna add the support from here to here, and then from here to here. Right, as you can see, pretty much the frame of the body is done already. Now what's next is to do the top part. I am short 3 2x4s, so I have to go to Home Depot to buy. But this is how it's looking so far. So I'm gonna start putting these ones and go to Home Depot real quick. All right, I finished installing one only, and as you can see, there's holes in between, even though I'm pushing it all the way. So this is where you can use the C-clamp. Let me show you. I don't know if you can tell. Put it like this, but... Okay, you see the holes right here? So this is where you use the C-clamp. And they start closing. Okay, now we're going to repeat the same process on the other side. All right, like I said before, I need 3 more 2x4s, so I have to go to Home Depot. I don't think I'll make it back before time, because it's getting dark already. So once I be back, it's going to be pretty dark to show it to you. So I'm guessing I'm gonna continue tomorrow. So, all right, see you. All right, I had enough time to go to Home Depot real quick. So I ended up buying the wood that I needed. So let's try to finish as fast as possible. All right, I added this in the middle. This is in the bottom. I added in the middle for support. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the finished results of my wood bench. I'm really happy how it turned out to be. Like I said, this was my first project, and it's really strong, it's really steady wood bench. Right now I have enough room to put my tools, to put everything I need to put on top or to work on top of it. I'm gonna put the descriptions of the table down below in the description, so you can build one. Like I said, it's really steady. I mean, I can even jump on top of it. It doesn't move at all. It's really steady. It takes 2 people to move it, so I'm going to put it on this side over here. As you can see on that side where my tools are. I'm gonna remove that table, probably put it inside the house or whatever, and then I'm gonna put this one. I'm gonna put some before and after pictures on how it turned out to be. Please, if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see me build more stuff out of wood, let me know down below in the comments. If you guys want to, I mean, I can even buy new tools, new materials, and I can start building some new projects. Thanks for watching. Please give a big thumbs up to this video, and see you in the next video. Peace.